and welcome. Today, my pod and I are here to present on the topic communication. So we'll be focusing on non-verbal aspect of communication. So let me introduce our pod. We have Rahul Maurya, we have Himanshu Sahu, Ayush Agrawal, Priya Das, Arpit Dimri, and I'm Shashank Shekhar. Today, we'll be having a scenario where recruiters have come from a company. They'll be evaluating 4 candidates based on not just their technical skill, but also their body language and non-verbal communication. So that is going to play a very important role. And now we'll start with the skit.
Good morning, everyone. We both are recruited from Adani Power. We have one vacancy in the role of a business developer, where we require to some qualities from candidate, which is fluency in the communication, which is required in the business development. He will communicate to his investor and both always has a client. So,
Sir, we have 4 candidates, and can we proceed with the interview?
okay.
Yes, candidate 1.
Sir, may I come?
Yes, sir. Tell me about yourself.
Sir, good morning,
Your
sir.
name, please.
My name is Arpit Dimri, and I have done graduation in economics, and I'm looking forward to join the company as I have the communication skills and technical skills too. So I'm looking forward to join the company.
So, what do you know about the power sector?
As sir, the energy transition is going on from fossil fuels to renewables, so it's mega crucial for me as I can contribute in this transition.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So, he was having some knowledge, good knowledge, but I think he lacks confidence and hand gesture very normal.
Normal.
So, not very well
I think
suited for our.
it is not fit for, because in the business development we required to communicate
To
with
client.
our client, and it will be possible we have a bad situation in front of our investor. So I think
So, he was very bit,
Next, Ayush, you can come.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
Well, you have my CV. Still, my name is Ayush Agrawal, and currently I am doing MBA in Power Management. I want to build my career in generation and distribution sector, obviously. And I have done my commerce from Sambalpur University. And overall, I am a good and definitely the best candidate for you. And I have a hands-on experience with finance and bit of investing market. So definitely, I am a good candidate for you. Thank you.
Anything you want to add on?
Just this, like you have a series, it's written everything there. And I want to add this. I currently am pursuing MBA in Power Management, so I am still learning. And with law company, I can be more expert in this field, so I can work with you.
How can you know that you is best fit for this job description?
With my profile that I have already shared with you guys, so that's why I am saying that I am a best candidate for the job.
So, you have to deal with the client, but you are using so many hand gestures.
No, that shows that I am definitely confident and I am showing that I know the thing of which I am doing, or the things I am prepared for.
But it shows that you are overpowering the person in front of you.
No, that's not necessarily the thing, because I'm saying I am confident because the thing I am doing is I know what I am doing here. I understand what communication I am doing, with whom I am dealing. So that's it.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So, what do you think?
Its knowledge is good and concept is also very good, but sometimes
He is a
we
bit dominating for the
dominating.
clients. Okay. Shall we call the next candidate?
Okay.
Yes, candidate.
और सब लोग कैसे हैं? भाई
What's your name?
शशांक, सीवी में लिखा तो है.
So,
your attire is not business formal.
फॉर्मल पहनना था क्या? अरे सर स्किल देखिए ना, क्या कपड़ों पे.
sir, we are hiring you for our.
हाँ तो जब क्लाइंट से मिलना होगा तब पहन लेंगे फॉर्मल. अभी तो इंटरव्यू है ना.
So what do you know about the power sector?
जानते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत जानते हैं.
You think that this attitude may be
सर थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलिए ना, इंग्लिश थोड़ा वीक है.
आपको क्या लगता है कि आपका जो एटीट्यूड है आप इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे?
हाँ सर, और क्या है, हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा. आप लोग बताइए.
मे बी आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट लाने की जरूरत पड़े.
कुछ आया है आप इससे पहले?
हाँ,
इससे पहले कहाँ थे आप? किस कंपनी में थे?
इससे पहले बहुत जगह.
Have
बताएंगे, चलिए
you
चलिए
any-
चलिए.
have you any industry experience?
हाँ,
Tell me about your experience in the industry.
वही तो बोल रहे, चाय पीने चलिए.
Okay, thank you.
अरे और पूछिए, अच्छा लग रहा है, बात कर रहे हैं आप लोग से. ठीक है,
Thank you. You will leave.
बढ़िया बढ़िया, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
For our BD profile,
I
we
think
don't need this type of
this
candidate.
type of person, I think 1 and 2% are
Our client will let you go.
we not discuss further about candidate and we call the next candidate.
Next candidate.
Next candidate. Priya?
Can I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good morning, sir. Can I sit down?
Yeah, sure.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Priya Das from Odisha. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from Project Management from US. I have completed my bachelor degrees on BCom honors from Sambalpur University. To strengthen my skill, I have done some certification course of PGDCA and basic Excel Power BI course.
Okay. You read our job description.
Yes, sir.
So please tell me how you can fit our job profile.
I read the
Job description here. For BD position, so you need to interact with the client. So how will you do that? How you will convince them? Yes, go ahead.
Anything you want to?
no, sir.
Why you choose you? Thank you.
She was very polite and using the hand gesture. It's very well suited for our profile. Though she doesn't have any experience,
Oh, yes.
she will calmly see our clients, and I think she is the right candidate. What do you think, sir?
Yes, you are adding other option. Ayush is also, but he's
Not very much here
to dominate.
and he is using so much hand gestures and all. So it's a little bit dominating for the client.
If we consider the other candidate, I think Priya is
The best. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.